We got the shiniest floor at West Point. All that buffing and mopping is finally paid off. Do we have any rubber duckies?
Are you taking a video?
No. I'm just holding this camera in my hand for laughs. Am I gonna get electrocuted? Meanwhile, I hope those Rams aren't soaking up any fucking... Apparently it's been on for a while.
That's why all the fucking water's outside.
Is there water outside?
Fucking come up the fucking driveway and there's fucking like water going down the fucking...
Which part of the driveway? Is there? It's running outside at least.
It's not running. It's just there. It's wet. It's not running anymore.
Well, logically, it should be draining out somewhere. There's no way we can mop this fucking shop.
Yeah, fucking squeegees.
Yeah, green squeegees, yeah. So anyway, being that the floor is not electrified, because I already went over there to shut the stupid valve off, it just became electrified. I'll show you briefly what valve it was. I shut the main off first like an idiot. But it was this valve here. Now watch this. Show you, am I going okay?
Why?
I don't know. Maybe it won't do it now. Nope, it's not doing it. I think there's sand stuck in this check valve. And just let that fucker stay open. Or, I think it's a kick return valve or something. I don't know how it works. All I know is it was spraying out of here. Fucking, it was draining out into here, which is your output drain for outside. But it was spraying past it. All here. So I don't know when it happened. But something in this check valve system fucked up. So we have to get a filter. And that filter has to mount fucking there. It can't mount there for the shop water. It's got to mount before the valve system. Because that's your input. That's where it comes in the shop, comes into there, and then goes up to there. It loops into this tank and then comes up there. This is your pressure bladder. Here, let's get out of this water.
Fuck is that?
Somebody banging on. Maybe it's one of the ripples in the water banging something. Is it back dry in my office? So who do we call for this one?
Fire department.
Do you? They come in to add more water.
Actually, they would come. You could say it's fucking electrified, and they would pump it out for us.
They wouldn't come pump it out for us.
That's what we fucking do. Dude, that's fucking electricity. That's electricity in there. So this whole shit technically should be electrified. It's fucking...
It probably threw the GFI up, but that still doesn't really make it that safe. So I'd get out of that water if I were you. I'll grab my coffee while you're over there.
Oh, fucking get out of the...
Anyway, I wanted to shoot a little video of the light on my electric racks, but I don't think that's a good idea.
You are taking a video.
Yeah, I am taking a video.
If so, I could hear everything that you're saying.
Who?
The camera.
Yeah.
So this whole time, you fucking heard everything that we were saying.
Yeah, but we didn't say anything bad. We don't anyway. What the fuck? We're just ragging on Neil, talking about the fire department, and showing how fucked up this whole shop is. You're probably gonna have to pull up your little masterful cardboard job, too.
Fuck that. That's a pain in the ass to do. I'll have JC do it.
Jeez. I already did enough work.
Wow.
Maybe I should turn the lights off. That might help the video. Fuck nuts. Unless the wiring's going through the floor somehow. I think it does, actually, in some areas. Well, at least it's not like we gotta get a rowboat to get through the shop. But this is pretty bad.
Imagine if we were all off this week.
Who?
You and me. And we came in on Monday and it was like...
Shh. You should saw it. I walk in the door, I see one on the floor, I hear. So who knows? It could have happened 6 hours ago, an hour ago. I don't know. Anyway.